In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process of making money sending emails. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel, we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. When it comes to making money with email marketing, there's 4 specific steps that you need to follow if you want to profit from simply sending emails and building lists. Now, one of the easiest ways to make money online is utilizing email marketing with affiliate marketing. And so what I'm going to show you in this video is these 4 steps, how you can apply these 4 steps to build an email list and make money from that list every single month. Just imagine waking up one morning and being able to send one email to thousands of people and making money just by sending that simple email. Well, this is a reality for a lot of people, including myself. So what I'm going to show you is the same exact process that I've used to build my own personal list to a few thousand people, and how other marketers are also utilizing this 4-step process to build lists and make a full-time income online by sending emails. Now, one of the things that you have to keep in mind is that all of this takes time. Building a list of over 10,000 people takes time, especially if you want to make sure that the people on that list are high quality, engaged people that really want to open your content. So it really doesn't matter if you have a list of 100,000 people if no one is opening your email. So if you have a small list of 5, 10,000, 15,000 people, you can definitely make a full-time income with that list. So the first thing that you need to do in order to build an email list is to pick an email marketing service. Now, personally, I use 2 different email marketing services. One is MailChimp. MailChimp is very popular. You can sign up for a free account and you can start building your list up to 500 contacts for free. The other one that I use is GetResponse, and GetResponse is a little bit more advanced, has more features. And I use GetResponse basically just to divide my list and making sure that I'm not putting all my eggs in one basket, because there are stories of people who have lost their list because they put all their contacts in just one single email service. So if you can't do it, you can diversify your list. You can build multiple lists at the same time utilizing multiple email marketing services, so you're not just putting your entire list on a single service. So I will put a link below in the description if you want to go and check out GetResponse. GetResponse also has a free trial if you want to try it for 30 days. So once you have chosen your email marketing service that you're going to be using to build your list, your next step is to actually build your list. And you're going to be doing that by giving value. And giving value is basically providing something in exchange for someone's email. No one is just going to give you their email just because. You want to provide some value, you want to provide something, some information that is going to allow you to exchange that value for that email. That could be an ebook, a video training series, a newsletter, a training webinar, basically anything that your target audience might be interested in. You can provide it for free in exchange for their email. So for example, in my own YouTube channel, I often promote my affiliate marketing secrets guide, which is a guide that basically took me 2 weeks to write. It has over 40 pages teaching people how to build a business utilizing affiliate marketing, and I just give it away for free. And a lot of people subscribe to my guide every single day because they want to get access to that information, and I get a ton of emails from people thanking me for that information that I'm giving away for free. I don't simply want the email address to just sell. I'm going to explain to you in this video how you can utilize your list to make money without having to sell constantly. But the one thing that you have to keep in mind if you want to build your email list is that you have to know in what niche would you like to build that list. So let's say you have a blog or you have a website that provides cooking information, and you want to teach people recipes to cook healthy meals. Well, you can provide a free recipe book to people who want to learn how to cook healthy meals from home. And the best part about this is that you don't even have to create the content yourself. You can use websites like iWriter, which you can pay other people to write the content for you, and they can create a whole list of recipes or whatever topic you want. They can create an ebook for whatever topic you need, and then you can give away that ebook for free in exchange for an email. You can do the same thing with a video training series, a webinar, or a newsletter. Whatever you want to give away for free in exchange for that email, you have to make it good enough for people to give you their email for for that information. So in my case, I chose an ebook talking about affiliate marketing. And once you have your ebook, you can go to places like Fiverr and you can pay someone to create a very nice ebook cover for your ebook. So it's going to look a little bit more professional. It's going to look better. And it's only going to cost you 15 to 20 bucks to do that. Now, you're also going to need a landing page. A landing page allows you to capture emails and you can put all the information you want about whatever it is that you're giving away. And for that, you can either use MailChimp or you can use GetResponse. GetResponse has a very good capture page system, which basically allows you to create all the capture pages that you want, and you can embed those forms on different websites, allowing you to capture emails in many different ways. All right, so let's say you have your email marketing service, you have your landing page, you have your ebook that you want to promote, and you're ready to start building your list. Step number 3 is to actually pick the way that you're going to be building your list. Personally, I've been using YouTube for the past few months because it's allowing me to get free traffic to my landing page and get free email subscribers without me having to spend a lot of money in advertising. But I've also used paid advertising like Google Ads and Facebook ads to build my email list a little bit faster, and because it allows me to target specifically the type of people that I want in my email list. Because the one thing that you have to keep in mind if you really want to make money with email marketing is that the people in that list has to be extremely targeted. So that means if you're building an email list about affiliate marketing because you want to sell and promote affiliate marketing products, you can't have the people in that list interested in cooking or healthy recipes because they're not going to be opening your emails. So by utilizing paid advertising strategies, not only is it going to help you build your email list a little bit faster, but at the same time, it's going to allow you to target specifically the type of individual that you want for your email list. All right, so one of the biggest questions that most people have when they're trying to make money with email marketing is exactly how do I sell and what do I sell? Which brings me to step number 4, and that is promote, don't sell. What I mean by promote, don't sell is that you don't want to spam your email list constantly trying to sell them something. You have to provide value, otherwise they can easily just unsubscribe from your email list and you're going to be losing subscribers all the time. So what you want to do is provide value once they're inside your email list. So for every 3 or 4 emails that you send, 3 can be talking about a specific thing that's going to help them in whatever topic that you might be talking about in your emails. And the 4th could be actually promoting an affiliate product, service, software, something that where you can make money from every single sale. And of course, whatever it is that you're going to be promoting to that list has to be related to that specific list and that audience. You can't be promoting a product that has nothing to do with the topic of that list. Not only will they not open your emails, but they're not going to be buying anything from you. Luckily for you, there's a lot of affiliate networks out there where you can choose affiliate products to promote digital marketing products that you can promote on any topic that you want. So for example, if you go on clickbank.com, there's an affiliate category where you can choose many different types of affiliate products on any category that you want, allowing you to make up to 50% commissions on every single sale that you get. So utilizing the example of our cooking recipe email list, let's say that you have a list of 5,000, 10,000 people who are interested in learning about cooking healthy meals. Well, if you go on clickbank.com, you can probably find a lot of diet plans, you can find a lot of recipes and things that you can promote to that list, and you can make up to 50% commissions if you're able to get sales. So if you have an email list of 5,000 people, 10,000 people, and you're able to get just 50 to 100 sales per month from that email list, that could be a very nice additional income for your business for simply just picking a product and sending an email. The most important thing that you need to remember is that your email list is like a baby. So you need to constantly be feeding that baby with value, with information to make sure that they're going to be staying with you and they're not going to be unsubscribing from your list. And the more value that you provide, the more likely they are to listen to your advice and actually buy from the products that you're recommending to those people. So guys, those are the 4 steps that you need to follow if you want to build an email list and make money from your list. Like I said, all the resources are going to be found in the description below if you guys want to go and check it out. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, because I post videos like this every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.